Shelby should be doing this one. We have a 1968 Mustang Fastback. It's a Shelby Tribute. This beautiful Fastback has a 408 stroker motor making 465 horsepower. It's a manual 5-speed Tremec. It's got air conditioning, 410 posi, all sorts of good stuff. Go to volocars.com. You'll find all sorts of good cars. We have over 200 in inventory right now. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here, along with pictures, descriptions, finance information. That's all at volocars.com. Scan the QR code that's on your screen at any time. It'll bring you directly to this car, and the link in the description will do the same. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, what a good looker. Mustang Fastbacks, they're great looking cars to begin with. This one is made into a Shelby Tribute. It has a little scooped Shelby style hood, all straight, all clean. It's a metal structure hood with the fiberglass scoop on top. So it all lines up very nice, square, flush, nice, clean fender, all looking good, all the way down, straight, no door dings, very polished, very nice gaps. Oh, it opens effortlessly, jams nice and clean. The roof is excellent, it has the Shelby scoops. Quarter panel is all mint, all clean, and it has the dovetail Shelby fiberglass trunk lid and the end caps. So that's all looking real nice and straight and fits nice. All looking good. Painted a nice bright glossy red, and from what I'm seeing, it's sharp. You might find a minor flaw here or there, but look here right behind the tire. Beautiful finish. Nice clean rockers, nice clean doors. Both doors open easily. Shuts very nicely. The mirror is loose, so I got to tighten the mirror. It's brand new, so the little Phillips screw must have come loose inside. Door is straight. Bottom of the fenders are clean. Very, very nice fit and finish. The body is excellent. The paint is excellent. It has the white Shelby over-the-top stripes, literally over the hood, over the roof, over the trunk. It has fog lamps built into the custom grille. Wow, the stripes are even here all the way down to the bottom. Bumper, all that's shiny, all looking real nice. Windshield's been replaced. The moldings have been replaced. It has a Shelby Cobra emblem and more Shelby striping. Both mirrors are new. That's a remote on that side. Nice original vent window frame. Door handles new. Weather strips are replaced. Original back glass has typical light scratches in it. It's rolling on US mag wheels. They're 17-inch wrapped in Nitto performance tires, which look pretty darn new. So as the nubs on the tread there. And it's got the Shelby style taillights, which actually Shelby stole from the 65 Thunderbird. But they look like their new reproduction. You got a Cobra gas cap, exhaust coming out through the valance. So good looking car, great looking car. Let's open it up. I got more to show you. Got a real sharp looking tail end on this car. Oh, it's sharp from all angles. So underneath the trunk lid, all painted up nicely. Looks like they may have had the weather strip here at one time. Now it's down here. The jam is painted up real nice. Inside, you can see, is all nice clean metal. The restorer of the car says it's original metal too. That opens up because it is a fold down back seat. Actually, he said they stripped the car down and had about a quarter size hole in each door, which they cut out and replaced with metal. The original floors, quarters. Jams are nice. Weather strips are nice. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon so you're notified. So the door panel, armrest, the handle, all that's new. The inner black part is all repainted. So pretty much a stock dash. It's a factory air system, the controls and the vents. Tachometer, that was an option, even in a GT Mustang. Got factory air vents here. A retro stereo in the glove box. Why do I always have such a hard time opening? You got some plug-ins for the stereo. We got kick panel speakers down here. They look pretty new. interior light works. Carpet's real nice. And here we go. We got a Hurst 5-speed shifter. You can be banging through those gears. Carpet, I don't know if it's original because just the stitching. This is how the original carpet was. Well, it's probably been replaced. Seat belts are excellent. Seats have real nice cushion, reupholstered. And I knew there was a lever over there. This has the fold down back seat. I don't know if those old speakers are hooked up. They may be. All the side panels are real good. The lights work, the carpet, the chrome, everything back here is all very good. Seat is upholstered. Looking nice. 2+2. Now the headliner, this looks like it's, oh yeah, it's definitely replaced. It's a nice cloth. I like that. New visors. The mirror's real nice. Got a beautiful deluxe steering wheel. That's really sharp looking too. So overall, very nice, clean interior. Has what you need. A tachometer, a shifter, fold down seat, the stereo. Okay, when we get into the engine compartment, it's a 351 Windsor roller block 408 stroker kit. It is Eagle rotating assembly. It's balanced, forged pistons, 465 horsepower, 501 pounds of torque. And then in the folder, you got the dyno sheets, a lot of the specs, all the information for the motor is in here. Has aluminum heads, has an Edelbrock RPM intake, a dual feed Holley carburetor, dressed up with some nice Ford Racing air cleaner and valve covers. The engine bay is nice, clean, smooth metal. Got the extra Monte Carlo bar, a chrome one. Up front, it's got the horns. We got Champion aluminum radiator with a big electric fan. We have billet brackets, tough stuff chrome alternator, all billet pulleys, air conditioning, modern air conditioning system, MSD ignition system. We got a nice overflow bottle for the radiator. We have a modern power steering system down there. And we also have the power brakes and a reservoir for the hydraulic clutch. So packing a lot of horsepower under here. It's a strong running engine. Someone's going to have fun with this. And you got air, power steering, power brakes. Have a good time. Michael's going to show you a good time. We'll see you in a few minutes.
Engine, you just start it up and you're sitting there, you got the little rumble in your seat. How much fun. Serious performer too. Lots of suspension upgrades. Got the rack and pinion, really nice smooth handling here. Precise feel on the road. Yeah, you can see it got this little shake here. Really liking this one. Let's see what she's got. Alright. And just like that, we are really speeding. I'm going to have to slow down here for a second. Bring it back down to 60 miles an hour. It looks like at 62 we're about 1,600 RPMs. So fantastic for cruising down the highway or taking the long way to the cruise night. She's meant to drive. That's exactly what you should do with this one. That 408 is no joke. And I would definitely say without a doubt that 465 horsepower is as advertised. What a thrill when you hit the gas. Come down, take it for a test drive if you'd like to, and check out all the details at volocars.com.
So again, the restorer of the car says they're original floors, and they look very nice and clean. Steering and suspension's all been gone through. Up in front, it is upgraded with a Flaming River rack and pinion steering. In back, it has some tubular Caltrac traction bars. Shocks have been replaced. Nice fat dual exhaust system, Flowmaster mufflers. Fuel system was replaced. Disc brakes in front, drum and back, e-brake assembly is hooked up. Looking up at the motor, it's clean, has a high torque starter. It's a Tremec T5, excuse me, manual transmission with the hydraulic clutch. Rebuilt drive shaft, goes back to the Ford 9-inch rear end, which has 410 posi gears. It has new bearings in the rear end. So quite a package here. This has got all this good stuff. 465 horsepower, manual shift, 410 means you can have fun in first gear, and you can also cruise down the highway in fifth gear. Air conditioned, red, fastback, Shelby trim. It's got it going on. You can go to volocars.com. Sales will help answer your questions, including how to get your '68 Mustang delivered to your door. Thanks for watching.